tell me if this is you. You just picked up your very first Wacom tablet, you start to draw, and things are not exactly what you had in mind. Not to make you go, ugh, okay, that's enough, I'm done, it's over, I don't want to do this anymore, let's go back to traditional, it's easier. But what if I told you it's actually a lot easier to work through than you think? While it took me quite a few months and my experience was very much the same, literally brought it home, set it up, got it ready to go, was extremely disappointed within the first 10 minutes, packed it back up and stuck it in my closet for a week. But then I decided that, I'm just gonna learn how to do the things. So I did the following things. First, go back to basics. Draw simple shapes and just spend the time getting used to that over and over again with the new tablet, the new program. Second, there's tons of pressure settings. The best part about it is that you can actually get it to mimic something similar to traditional use. Go ahead, play with the settings, and find something that feels really familiar to you. 3. Okay, there's no easy way to say this, but practice makes perfect. So the more you go through the motions and the more you practice, the more time you dedicate, the faster you're going to get to utilizing a brand new tool. It sounds super easy, I know, but I promise you if you do it, it's going to really help with gaining the new muscle memory for this learning curve. Let me know if any of these helped you, or if you've already gone through these steps, how long did it take you to get used to your tablet? See you in the next one.